am the soil. I am in the hills, in the valleys, the farmers, the orchards. Without me, humans could not exist. But you treat me like dirt. You realize that I'm just a thin skin on the planet. And that I'm actually alive. Full of organisms that throw your food. But I am broken, aging, overused, sick because of you. You have withered me away to less than half of what I used to be just over 100 years ago. Are you paying attention? I am turning to dust. So maybe you could treat me with a little more respect. I suppose you still want to eat.